good morning. It's early, and I'm just leaving the RV. We have got to get ready for that storm that's coming our way here in Virginia. It's not going to be bad, obviously, as the other states, but we're still expecting a lot of rain and possibly some wind. So we're trying to get some things done around here today. We worked yesterday and just some finishing touches, and I have some flowers to plant too. So actually my big project today is to work on this bed and also get the leaves out of this area and take some things to the back shed. I've got to go move my car. This is my sister's car. Unfortunately, on top of her husband passing away and everything else she has to deal with, she just found out she's going to have to buy a new car because there's some really expensive repairs that need to be done with this, and it's definitely not going to be worth it. I've got to move Shamu out of the way. I try not to park near, look at all the neighbors' cars. I try not to park near that killer pine tree that puts sap all over everything, so I'm going to park next to the truck as close as possible. So I accomplished some of this. The bulbs were already there, and it's not a whole lot. I haven't even laid down any mulch yet. I'm waiting for that to be delivered, but just kind of did a little something for my sister to add some color to the place. I'm like really into gardening, so I have a lot of projects ahead of me. It's going to be insane. But you know, we live in an area where everything just kind of dies off during the winter time, and so got a lot of leaf work, and that belonged to my dad. That thing is probably about 80, 90 years old. And my sister's had it all these years, and she always plants pansies in it. And so I went ahead and did that for her. It really is beautiful here, even on this gray day. We're all just sitting here waiting for the rain. We got everything put away like we wanted to. And we have some nice church members that drop by to give us a wonderful meal. Like I said, it's been great. The bereavement meals have been absolutely amazing, and they have such a great support at their church. And of course, we've known these people for 20 years, and everyone is just so sweet. So this is what's going on right now. It's kind of an in-between thing. I still have a lot of packing to do. I haven't really moved everything here, but it'll happen. It'll happen soon, so I'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.